morning, students. So now we are going to do stepper motor interfacing using 8051. So for that, first we are going to make some circuit. So after that we are going to do programming. So go to Proteus. Take a new project, something called stepper CKT. Okay, stepper motor circuit or stepper CKT. So where I want to put that thing? On desktop, ES lab manual part 1 stepper motor. So this is the folder where I want to save. So stepper circuit, so new and end. So once this is done, just go to the library and switch. I want one switch or SPST, single port single through SPST switch. Next AT89C51, then stepper motor. So one stepper motor, the unipolar stepper motor I am taking. Next one more thing, ULN 2003. ULN 2003. So these are the things what I have. Now first I want to take the IC of 8051. After that stepper motor. Here I am going to connect one switch here somewhere, and this is the IC. So this is a high voltage IC which is able to drive the stepper motor. So now, so these things I need to connect here, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now I want to connect this thing to here. The second one is connected to this pin, and C is connected to, so this one is connected to this one, last one, this is the last thing I want to connect here. So now I need to connect common these two things because these are the power supply here I want to give. So here this is the circuit, and here I want to take any one of the pin, no problem. So P1.1, so the switch. So now I want to take power. So the power is for, so this IC bridge, and one more power I want to take. It is nothing but DC voltage, 12 volts for stepper motor. So this is, here I am going to do, so 12 volts DC. So, but here the value I need to give 12 volts. Here this is the power for the circuit, and one more DC here I am taking. So this is nothing but some voltage. So this is common, so otherwise you can take directly 5 volts. Okay. So now this is the circuit what you have. Once you build this circuit, just save it, and now we are going to write the program. Go to the key. So go to project, new project, maybe stepper, the project name Atmel 8089C51. Okay. Now new thing, so for this I am writing hash include stdio.h hash include reg51.h, then void main. So this is the thing. Here we are going to complete our thing. So in this program I want delay, that's why void delay int count. So that is the thing what we have. So now one single bit operation I want to perform, that is switch is there, s bit sw1 is equal to p1.1. okay, so I connected to p1.1. that's it, that is the arrangement what I have. So after that I want to write my program. So here while 1, always repetition, while 1. So now in between these brackets only you need to write the 4. Simply first, because my stepper motor is on the port 2, so P2 is equal to 0x 0c, 0x 0c. So some delay I want to put, delay of maybe 500 milliseconds. So this thing I want 3 times furthermore. Okay, so this is to on coil A, so like that. So opposite coils I want to on right now. So this is 06, then 03, then this is 09. So like this I want to. So 0C means 1100. So that last 2. So 06 means 0110. Next 3 means 0. Yeah. So like this, it is rotating in this manner. So 0011. So last one is this 9. 9 means 1001. So the coils, alternate coils are going to on. Next. So once this is completed, so here this thing I want to put in a if condition. If SW1 is equal to 0, if switch is equal to 0, you need to run in a forward direction. So you need to run your thing in a forward direction. Else you need to run in a reverse direction. So same thing. I want to take all this. Okay. So here I am going to write else. So this is nothing but what? Reverse direction. So or and counterclockwise direction, or CCW, counterclock. So this one forward. Okay, here we are going to turn the stepper motor in a forward motion. Direction, that is nothing but clockwise direction. Clockwise. So here if you want to run this thing in a reverse direction, 9, then 3, then 6, then C. Okay, so this is what I want to do. So completed. Code is completed. Now compile. So first I need to save the code. stepper dot c. Okay, yes, so stepper dot c. Now stepper. Okay, so this one I want to, the delay is not defined at this moment, so now I want to define the delay. Void delay. Okay, so void delay int count. So here int I comma j. For I is equal to 0, I less than count I plus plus. So then next for j is equal to 0, j less than 113, j plus plus. So this column and this thing. So this is nothing but what? Your delay. Okay, so I is redefinition. I is redefinition. And count. Where I declared I. Int I comma j semicolon. Okay. Delay. Missing function prototype. Delay. DELA. Yeah, delay 500. Here also delay. Okay, so there is error, so delay 500. So every time bracket missed. Okay, here also bracket missed. Bracket. Then 0 errors, 0 warnings. Once you got 0 errors, 0 warning, then options per target 11.0592 megahertz, and output is this thing. Okay, done. Once again it is created the X file. Once creation of X file is done, then this is the thing what we have. Okay, now double click on this thing. Stepper is the X file, and this is 11.0592 megahertz. Okay, so run this thing. So now it is, because 0, it is rotating in a backward direction because of 0. Okay, so when you on this thing, automatically it will go in a forward direction. That's it. Okay, so it is working now properly. So whether it is 1, so this is moving in that direction, whether it is 0, moving in this backward direction. So that means our conditions are satisfied. If SW is equal to 0, then this is 0C, 06, 3 and 9. So otherwise in reverse direction. So that means this one is here. So this one is okay. So one direction is forward and one is reverse. done. Okay, one is nothing but forward direction, one is reverse direction, depends upon this voltage. I think you are able to see. So depends upon switch value only it is doing. Now it is in a on state. Okay, so whether we want to do in a reverse state, that's it. Thank you.